Did you know that some frogs can actually freeze solid and come back to life? The wood frog, found in North America, has an extraordinary survival trick. When winter arrives, this frog's body can freeze up to 65%, stopping its heart and breathing. Special proteins and glucose in its blood prevent its cells from being damaged by ice. When spring returns and temperatures rise, the wood frog thaws out and resumes its normal life as if nothing happened. Nature truly is full of surprises. Subscribe for more amazing facts and like if you enjoyed this video.